I recently have noticed that we've had significant increase in the number of subscribers. So we want to thank you for your interest. And because there seems to be some continuing speech restrictions going on with some of the platforms, you may want to come to one of our other platforms that may have more information that we can share with you than what you're seeing now. It's important that you all should know I make no claims to be something that what my advice is going to be worth anything. Anyone should do their own work. And I also have had history since 1975, a number of major mistakes as a result of which I've had considerable volatility in my results. And so therefore, once again, do your own work. I have been recommending in the last couple of months Guanajuato Silver as a very interesting place to put money. And the reason is that there aren't any earnings yet, because what Guanajuato does is it refurbishes old silver mines in Mexico that are relatively high cost. And so there haven't been initial earnings from starting to produce there. But as the price of silver has recently gone up, I think the numbers will start to be pretty spectacular for Guanajuato, primarily because as if you look at the market cap, a little over 100 million, it's pretty close to what the current revenues are, 80, 90 million on an annual basis. So that if you get a 50% gain in silver and gold prices, when you have revenues almost equal to market cap, the explosive potential of the earnings are really significant. And I think that is what's coming for Guanajuato. It's a small company in the sense of market cap down at 100 million, but so far it recently has, along with the other silver miners, come down in price. And part of the reason it's come down in price is that they did raise for them a significant chunk of money in selling more stock in the $30 to $40 million range. And that's going to be used to improve production. For example, their fleet of vehicles that they use underground to transport the ore, they're ramping that up, and there are other developments that they can now afford. So you put it all together, and I think that Guanajuato is a very good and attractive, smaller silver miner. So I suggest you take a look at that in our newsletter stuff.